Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by learning the core math and statistics that data analytics requires. Spend about 10 hours per week on probability, mean, median, standard deviation, and hypothesis testing. Study linear algebra basics like vectors and matrices for understanding transformations and dimensions. Use Excel to practice descriptive statistics and build charts to summarize data. Commit to 3 months of focused fundamentals before moving to tools or complex models. This foundation makes code and models far easier to understand and apply in real projects. Next, master the essential tools used by analysts in industry today. Start with SQL for querying databases and learn to write select, join, group by, and window functions. Add Python for cleaning and analysis, focusing on pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib for visualization. Install and use Jupyter notebooks to document your process and Git to version control your work. Practice building reproducible workflows and automate common cleaning tasks. Aim for weekly hands-on exercises that connect tool commands to the statistical concepts you learned. Finally, build real projects that showcase end-to-end analytics skills and create a portfolio. Select datasets that interest you and complete cleaning, exploratory analysis, visualization, and business recommendations. Aim to create 3 portfolio projects and 1 capstone that demonstrates a full pipeline. Publish code and reports on GitHub with clear README files and short executive summaries for each project. Spend about 8 to 12 weeks developing these projects while seeking feedback. This practical evidence proves your abilities and accelerates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.